Have you ever stopped to think about the true cost of convenience in your life? In today's fast-paced world, we expect everything to be easily accessible with just a click. However, this convenience comes at a cost that we often overlook. In this video, we'll explore the hidden costs of convenience and how to avoid them. Let's work together to create a better world for ourselves and future generations by making informed choices that have a positive impact on our health, environment, and finances. 1. The cost of convenience on our health. Have you ever considered the true cost of convenience on your health? While fast food and other unhealthy convenience foods may seem like an easy option, the hidden costs can be devastating. From chronic diseases to mental health struggles, our convenience-driven choices can take a major toll on our well-being. The impact of convenience on our health can be seen in the rising rates of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. These diseases not only take a physical toll on our bodies, but can also have a significant financial impact, with healthcare costs skyrocketing as a result. However, there is hope. We can make changes to avoid these hidden costs of convenience. By prioritizing our health and well-being, we can take steps to improve our physical and mental health. This includes making small changes to our daily routines, such as opting for healthy food choices and incorporating exercise into our day-to-day lives. By prioritizing our health and well-being, we not only improve our own lives, but also contribute to a healthier and happier society. Let's make conscious choices to prioritize our health and well-being, one step at a time. The cost of convenience on our health may be significant, but we have the power to make a change. Let's take action and prioritize our health to create a brighter future for ourselves and those around us. 2. The cost of convenience on our environment. Have you ever considered the impact that convenience has on our environment? It's easy to forget that the products we use and the choices we make have a significant impact on the world around us. The cost of convenience on our environment is staggering. From single-use plastics to non-renewable resources, our choices can contribute to the depletion of the Earth's natural resources and the degradation of our ecosystems. Think of the plastic bags and straws that we use for just a few minutes before they end up in landfills or polluting our oceans. Consider the energy and resources that go into producing and transporting products that we use once and throw away. These choices have a lasting impact on our planet and the creatures that call it home. But there's hope. We can make conscious choices to reduce the cost of convenience on our environment. This includes opting for reusable products, reducing our energy consumption, and supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability. By doing this, we not only reduce our own environmental impact, but also encourage others to make conscious choices. We have the power to create a more sustainable future for ourselves and for future generations. Imagine a world where we prioritize sustainability over convenience. Imagine a world where we value the Earth's natural resources and protect them for future generations. This is the world we can create by taking small, conscious steps towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Let's make conscious choices to reduce the cost of convenience on our environment. Let's take action to create a more sustainable future for ourselves and for future generations. Together, we can make a difference. 3. The cost of convenience on our finances. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Have you ever stopped to consider the true cost of convenience on your finances? It's easy to overlook the impact that small, everyday conveniences can have on our wallets. Think about the daily coffee runs or the frequent takeout orders. Consider the convenience of online shopping and the ease of credit card payments. These conveniences may seem small, but they can add up quickly, leaving us with a hefty financial burden. The cost of convenience on our finances can manifest in different ways. From impulse buying to overspending, these choices can have a long-term impact on our financial well-being. But there's a way out. We can make small changes to avoid the hidden costs of convenience. This includes creating a budget, planning ahead for purchases, and finding ways to make everyday conveniences more affordable. By doing this, we not only save money but also gain a sense of financial empowerment. We have the power to take control of our finances and create a brighter future for ourselves. Imagine a life where we prioritize financial stability over convenience. Imagine a life where we have the freedom to make choices that align with our values and goals. This is the life we can create by taking small, conscious steps towards financial well-being. Let's make conscious choices to reduce the cost of convenience on our finances. Let's take action to create a more financially stable future for ourselves. Together, we can overcome the hidden costs of convenience and achieve financial empowerment. 4. How to balance convenience with conscious consumption. Now that we've explored the hidden costs of convenience, it's time to discuss how we can balance convenience with conscious consumption. It's important to recognize that convenience doesn't have to come at the cost of our health, environment, or finances. It's possible to make choices that are both convenient and conscious. It's possible to prioritize our well-being and the health of our planet while still enjoying the benefits of modern convenience. One way to balance convenience with conscious consumption is by incorporating small changes into our daily routines. This could mean bringing a reusable water bottle, saying no to single-use plastics, or opting for public transportation. These small choices can have a big impact on our overall well-being and the health of our planet. Another way to balance convenience with conscious consumption is by supporting businesses and products that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices. By doing so, we not only make conscious choices, but also support companies that share our values. It's important to remember that balancing convenience with conscious consumption is not an all-or-nothing approach. We don't have to completely give up modern conveniences to make a positive impact. Instead, it's about making small, conscious choices that align with our values and goals. Imagine a world where convenience and conscious consumption go hand in hand. Imagine a world where we can enjoy the benefits of modern convenience without sacrificing our health, environment, or finances. This is the world we can create by taking small, conscious steps towards a more sustainable and conscious lifestyle. Let's make a commitment to balance convenience with conscious consumption. Let's take action to create a world where modern convenience is synonymous with sustainability and ethical practices. Together, we can make a difference and create a brighter future for ourselves and for future generations. We've learned that convenience can have hidden costs that affect our health, the environment, and our finances. We've also learned that it's possible to balance convenience with conscious consumption by making small, conscious choices and supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices. It's time to take action and make a change. It's time to prioritize our well-being, the health of our planet, and our financial stability. It's time to embrace convenience in a way that aligns with our values and goals.